Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Pasha Media Technology Support. In my previous video, I showed you guys how you can create a bootable Imac OSX flash drive. But in this video, I'm going to show you now how you can actually make use of that flash drive. How you can boot a Mac compatible device using a flash drive. Okay, so if you like the video, please press subscribe, and if you find that the information that is in this video you can still contribute your own thoughts, leave a comment in the comment section. But so far, if you have missed my previous video about how to create a bootable flash drive, you can click on the link somewhere up here or down here. But at the same time, in this video we're going to be focusing on how we can make use of a bootable flash drive and how can we boot our MacBooks or iMacs using the flash drive. So I'm going to show you the combination that you need to press and certain things that you need to do for you to be able to enter into the booting option. If your laptop or your iMac does not have an operating system already, then this is much easier, because then the system automatically detects where the booting options should go. But if there is already an operating system on the laptop or maybe an iMac, then it means that you will have to select an alternative option, which means you will have to direct the computer's configuration to say that, okay, this time I want the computer to boot from a flash drive. So in this case, let's get started and let me show you how you can boot your MacBook or your iMac using a flash drive. Now, it doesn't matter whether you have got a MacBook or whether you got an iMac, the process is the same because it just depends on what you press on the keyboard. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need pretty much is to switch off your MacBook or your iMac. In this case, I'm using a MacBook. Switch it off. And then when the device is completely off, all you need to do is plug on the flash drive that we recently created. Okay, so now the MacBook is completely off. All we need to do is find the USB port that is free. In this case, I'm going to use this one. And then this is the step that you really have to pay attention to, because once you switch on your MacBook, all you need to do is press the alternative button. Okay, so you will see that it has brought options whereby you can either go to the Windows, you can boot with Windows still on a MacBook. You can install the flash drive that we created. So this is the middle section here, is the flash drive that we have created, and all we need to do is just press on there and press on the arrow. Then it will start booting from the flash drive. From there, all you need to do is just follow the instructions that it will be giving you. But other than that, that's how you can boot your MacBooks or your iMacs, just by pressing the alternative key, and then it will allow you to select which device is holding the operating system. If there was a DVD or a CD inside, it will still be there on the list. So this video was helpful to you guys. Subscribe to the channel and drop a question of what you want me, what kind of video do you want me to do next. Thank you very much for watching, and this was Pasha Media Technology Support. See you next time.